pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Folkston local and long distance movers near me. We will assist you with interstate, intrastate, and local transportation of your belongings. We have a good working relationship with the authorities in charge of the local area and federal relocation processes. We have insurance plans to protect our customers by covering their risk liabilities during and after the move. We have a team of expert movers and drivers committed to safely getting your items to their final location. We won't overcharge you as all our rates are affordable. It is cheaper to move your belongings over a short distance or within your environment. Local moves cost between $30 and $40 an hour, and we have the most reasonable rates. Our packers will help pack your belongings in boxes and arrange them properly to be safe, and they do not get damaged. Our local movers are licensed and committed to giving you the most satisfactory possible service for your money. Our drivers are used to clogged cities and places, so we won't have any trouble transporting your belongings to you. With the help of our local movers, you can plan out the moving process and make it hassle-free. We have a good reputation with our clients, and they can vouch for us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Folkston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.